Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 triangle and its properties. In that exercise exercise 3, third question, find the measure of the third angle of a triangle whose two angles are 38 degrees, 102 degrees. Now see its solution. Given, what is the given data? When you know two angles of a triangle, then how to find the third angle of a triangle? Okay, see what are the given angles? Given two angles are 38 degrees and 102 degrees. Okay, so I am taking third angle. How to find the third angle means the sum of the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. The sum of the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. The first angle is 38 degrees and the second angle is 102 degrees. I am taking the third angle. The third angle is what now? We don't know, that's why I am taking it as x degrees. Is equals to 180 degrees. Now 38 degrees plus 102 degrees means that is 140 degrees plus x degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now 140 degrees is transposing to RHS side, then third angle that is nothing but what nana? X degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees, that is equals to 40 degrees. Okay, so we can do like this. ఇలా అయినా చేయొచ్చు, లేదు అనుకుంటే simply like this also. Third angle is equals to, that is 180 degrees minus what are the sum of the two given angles? 180 degrees minus sum of the two given angles, that is 38 degrees plus 102 degrees, that is equals to 180 degrees minus 38 plus 102 means 140 degrees, that is 180 minus 140 means what? 40 degrees. So why I am doing like this means you have to keep in your brain this statement. What is that one? The sum of the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. That's why directly I am taking third angle is equals to 180 లో నుంచి remaining two angles ని minus చేస్తున్నా, then I am getting the third angle. Okay, so when you face this kind of problems, you just use like this or alternate methods. Thank you. Okay students, now the next question is fourth one. In a right angle triangle, one acute angle is 30 degrees, find other acute angle. So this is the question now. So writing the given data, given one acute angle of a right angled triangle is equals to 30 degrees. Other acute angle is I am taking x degrees. Okay na? So simply you try to draw like this right angle triangle ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Okay. Now this right angle అయితే other two angles are acute angles. Now one angle A I am taking 30 degrees. Now I want the other acute angle, that is C. To take like this, angle A plus angle B B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees because of the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. అంటే ఈ 3 angles ని యాడ్ చేస్తే it should be equal to 180 degrees. Now angle A means 30 degrees. Angle B అంటే రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ లో ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఇది యాంగిల్ B దగ్గర ఎంత మెజర్ చేస్తున్న యాంగిల్ దట్ ఈస్ 90 degrees. Plus angle C means what I am taken other acute angle is x degrees. Okay, is equals to 180. 30 plus 90 means 120 degrees plus x degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 120 degrees transposing means x degrees is equals to that is 180 degrees minus 120 degrees that is equals to what? 60 degrees. So therefore the third angle is what? Other acute angle. The other acute angle is 60 degrees. And angle A that is 30 degrees, angle C that is 60 degrees. These two angles are acute angles because of acute angle and it measures 0 less than x degrees less than 90 degrees and above 0 below 90. Okay na students? Bas. Okay students, now the fifth question is state true or false for each of the following statements. State true or false. So this is the first statement. A triangle can have two right angles. అంటే ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ లో టూ రైట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఉంటాయా? See, for example, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So simply I am taking angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. అంటే for example ఇలా ఉంది triangle ABC అనుకుందాం. Okay. So angle A ఇక్కడ according to this statement two right angles ఉంటాయా? చూద్దాం. Angle A I am taking 90 degrees. Angle B also I am taking 90 degrees. Okay, angle C. Then this is the standard statement. The sum of the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. ఇక్కడ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తేనే 90 plus 90 అంటే it is equal to 180 వస్తుంది. But what about remaining? According to statement 3 angles ని యాడ్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు మనకు 180 degrees కి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. అదే టూ రైట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఉంటే టూ యాంగిల్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తేనే ఈక్వల్ టు 180 అవుతుంది. So that's why the statement, the given statement is the false statement. Okay. Okay students, now the second one. A triangle can have two acute angles. A triangle can have two acute angles. అంటే చూద్దాం. Simply solution. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. I am taking two acute angles. Angle A 30 degrees, angle B 60 degrees, angle C that is 90 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Yes sir, clearly the two angles 30 degrees, 60 degrees. These two angles are what? These two are acute angles. అంటే 90 కంటే తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, 0 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకేనా? సో it measures in between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So that's why we can say yes, okay, the triangle can have two acute angles. So that's why this is the true statement. Okay. Now third statement. A triangle can have two obtuse angles. Two obtuse angles. Is it true statement or false? See its solution. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degrees. So if you consider any triangle, I am considering that is a triangle PQR. Okay, our wish that is. So according to statement, when we are going to add the sum of the three angles, it should be equal to 180 degrees. I am taking two obtuse angles. ఈ టూ obtuse angles, angle P అంటే I am taking 120 degrees, angle Q means I am taking 100 degrees. Okay, obtuse angles అంటే obtuse angles means what nana? It measures 90 less than x less than 180 degrees. Obtuse angles అంటే it measures in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. అంటే 90 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, 180 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. సో ఇక్కడ 120 degrees above 90 degrees, below 180 degrees, 100 degrees above 90 degrees, below 180 degrees. ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ ఆర్, ఈ టూ యాంగిల్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తేనే 120 ప్లస్ 100 అంటే 220 అవుతుంది. When I am going to add these two obtuse angles, it is greater than 180 degrees. Yes, then how it is possible? That's why the given statement is the false statement. Okay, a triangle can have only one obtuse angle. Okay, okay students, now the fourth statement is each angle of a triangle can be less than 60 degrees. Is this statement true or false? You just consider a triangle x y z, triangle x y z. Okay, we know the statement. What? Angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equals to 180 degrees. Means according to angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So now coming to the given statement, each angle of a triangle can be less than 60 degrees. అంటే ప్రతి యాంగిల్ కూడా 60 degrees కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుందా అంటున్నాడు. సో ఓకే తీసుకుందాం, యాంగిల్ x 40 degrees, యాంగిల్ y 50 degrees, యాంగిల్ z 59 degrees. Now see, once add 40 degrees is less than 60 degrees, 50 degrees also less than 60 only, అంటే 60 కంటే తక్కువే కదా. 59 degrees also less than 60. You just add it. 40 plus 50, 90. 90 plus 59, that is 149. అంటే ఈ three angles ని యాడ్ చేసినా కూడా, when we are going to add the three angles, it is not equal to 180 degrees. Their sum is not equals to 180 degrees. So then how triangle is possible with the less than 60 degrees each angle? It is not possible. So that's why the statement is false statement. Okay, it is false statement. So if it is true means why it is true, if it is false means why it is false, then you have to know. Okay, so this is the explanation students. Thank you.